welcome back to my channel. It's Furnace Explains It All. Welcome to video number 3 in my organizational series, Tackling the Laundry Room. So we just recently moved into a house and the laundry room had quickly become a place where we just stacked stuff and ran. And it did not have any kind of rhyme or reason to it, and it didn't look very nice. And I love looking at those reels of people who remake their spaces, and specifically laundry rooms I love watching. And so I was inspired to go ahead and redo our laundry room. So the only caveat I have is we are renting this house, and so I wasn't able to do any kind of major renovations. I usually see people do a lot of like custom trim work and really pretty wallpaper and pretty paint colors, and we really didn't want to do any of that because we're maybe moving in a few months at the end of the year, so we really didn't want to invest a lot of time and money and things to make the space look like pristine and showroom ready when we might just be moving. It would kind of be a waste of money. So we went ahead and just organized it rather than making it look completely like overhauled, but it looks certainly much better than when we started. So let's take a look at what you can do to your laundry room if you are also a renter and want to do something that is nice and organized, but also renter friendly. Let's get started. So this is our laundry room before, and as you can see, it's become a place to sort of stack things and shove things, and it really just does not look great, so we're gonna fix it. So first, I started by clearing out all the things that didn't belong in the laundry room, and I got rid of the shoe rack because it fit better in the garage. I then hung up my broom and mop with these utility command hooks to get them off of the ground and still be renter friendly. Next, on this wall, I really wanted to make a little get ready station, Montessori style, for my toddler, so I picked up this cute little shelf from the Target dollar spot for $5 that holds his shoes. I put it at his height so that he could put his shoes on himself and have a little more independence, and it held about maybe 3 pairs of shoes comfortably. I also grabbed this rack from the dollar spot for $5 to hold his sunglasses. And again, being renter friendly, I went ahead and used a command hook to hang that up, as well as another one for his coat and hat. And it just turned out so cute. I absolutely love it with his little sunglasses on there. He looks like a cool little dude with his own little station getting ready. So that turned out really great. I lined up our shoes against the wall, so I could have used a boot tray for this, but Walmart was sold out and I just didn't want to wait for Amazon to ship one in and spend another 20 bucks. And I also made myself a corner on the opposite wall using command hooks to hold my purse and sunglasses, so I had my own section for my things. I tackled the shelves by clearing out what didn't belong, and I used these paper weave baskets from Walmart Mainstays brands to organize things like Swiffer supplies and cookbooks and my steam cleaning accessories. Walmart also sells these basket labels. They're plastic and they're 4 for $1.50, and I was just so shocked at how cheap they were, and they're very nice. And I just used my printer to print little labels on paper and just stuck them in, and they look great. And then to cover the shelves, I used my Dollar Tree wire rack makeover technique. Check out this video linked above to the right to do this. I just covered foam core board and marble contact paper from Walmart, about 13 bucks total, and also took some wool dryer balls and put them into a dollar store gold wire basket and stored those for my dryer. Next, I tackled detergent by using these beverage dispensers from Walmart, and they were only $7 each, which is a lot cheaper than some of the bigger ones and the glass ones. And I liked these because I could remove them from the base, and they were shorter without the base, and they fit less liquid than the large 3-gallon ones, and so they fit on my shelf perfectly without adding too much height and weight. So I just put in my husband's laundry detergent and mine. He uses the nasty blue chemical one, and I use the chemical-free one. And those actually came with labels as well. So once I kind of put the lids on top and stuck them up there, I was able to play with the spacing a little bit, and I labeled these with using my Silhouette Cameo to make vinyl his and hers labels and put them up. And that's what that looks like. Really cute. I also found this really cute subway tile framed picture at Walmart in the craft section that I applied vinyl to with a funny saying that says laundry done quarterly, because I hate doing laundry very often. So I hung that, and after fussing with the shelves a little bit more and just kind of moving things around and adding a couple plants, my makeover was complete. So it is not necessarily showroom quality, but it's a lot better than when I started, and everything has a place and a purpose now. So I really appreciate just the cleanliness of it, and I wanted to keep it fairly minimalistic and remove all of the clutter. And of course, we have our own get ready stations. So I'm super happy with how that turned out, and it opened up the place a lot. And so as a reminder, of course, I will show again the before picture and the after picture, way better. So as you can see, much better than when we started. Of course, one day when I get to our forever home, I want to do the investment into a beautiful, like perfect laundry space with custom built-ins and really nice cabinetry and beautiful paint colors and maybe some wallpaper or something like that. But that's for down the road. This fits our needs right now and where we're renting, so I'm very happy with it. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you, and join me next time for my next organizational video. Bye guys.